Hey everyone, in this session we are going to talk about how we can make a user as a Power BI service administrator role. So now let's get started. Currently I have logged in this Power BI service account with my user and I have been provided with the Power BI service administrator, right? So whenever I click on for admin center, I can view this type of admin portal for me where I can see all the different tabs over here, right? Now what if user has an access of Power BI service admin? So let's say currently I have logged in with another user. The user is Adel. Now let me open Power BI service administrator. So when I open admin portal with Adel's account, I can view only capacity setting options over here. I do not have a full privileges of this admin portal. So how can I make Adel as Power BI service administrator? So now let me show you that procedure in detail. So first of all, make sure that you contact your administrator who has a full access on your tenant, means who is a global administrator. Now, as a global administrator, open Microsoft 365 Administrator. So to open Global Admin Center, first of all you need to click on this icon, and now from here you can go to the admin portal. So this will open the similar type of screen to you, or you can also access via URL admin.microsoft.com/admin portal. Right now go to the user section. Now click on the active users. From here select the user. I want to assign a role to Adel, so I selected the user Adel. Now you can see here the role sections over here. Click on manage role. Now here you have an option that admin center access. So let's say click on that. Now I want to assign Power BI service administrator right to the user. So here you can see the different admin option. Click on show all by category. That will expand Power BI admin. So once you select this option and click on save, Adel will become Power BI service admin. Click on save changes. Admin role has been updated. Now let's go to the Adel's account. So this is Adel's account. Let me go again to the home and let me refresh the browser, and here it is. You need to sign out your account and reopen the account, and here it is. Now Adel can view all the options as a Power BI service admin. Hope this is clear for you now. Hope you understand how to add user as Power BI service administrator using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. If you have any question related to this, you can share your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this page. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.